Hello everyone and welcome back to Cloud Loop. I'm Atan Sharma, and in this video we will be showing you how you can get free 309 credits from Google Cloud. As you can see, we have already uploaded 2 videos regarding this. So for that, first of all, go to a tab and search for the skills.google. And on this website you have to just make sure that you are not signed in over here. If you are already signed in, then make sure to sign out first of all. Then you have to go to this new tab, and in this you have to paste the link that I will be sharing in the description. This link will give you around 309 credits for free. So first go to this page, and over here you have to just make sure that you sign in from the main account in which you want 309 credits. So let me just quickly sign in first, and this link will be a kind of expiry link, so it will have some kind of limited slots. So as you can see, I have signed in from the main account, and this is the page that you will get. First of all, you can check that I have already like 727 credits, and using this link we already got 9 credits. As you can see, the date is 30th of January. So I recently got this 9 credits just after signing with the link. So just go and click on this. As you can see, a tour of Google Cloud Sustainability. This lab you have to complete, like you have to just start the lab and wait for around 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes you have to just end this lab, and you will get around 300 credits. So as you can see, it is a no cost lab, so it won't take any of your credits. That's why we are using this. Just wait for 3 to 4 minutes now. Alright, so guys, as you can see, we have already completed around 4 minutes on this lab. So just we have to click on this end lab. You don't have to do anything except ending this lab after 4 minutes. So just refresh the page first. Let me just quickly refresh it. And after refreshing, you have to just go and check on your profile that you will already receive this 300 credits now. And overall we got around 309 credits. So as you can see, the date is 30th of January, and now the credits are over 1000 in my account. So these are the 300 credits and the 9 credit that we already got just after signing using this link. So guys, this is the video. I hope you liked it, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, then what are you waiting for? Subscribe it now, and the facilitator program will start soon, so make sure to join our YouTube and WhatsApp.